Hey guys, doing a review video for the Safely Smart Home Door Lock. I got this on Amazon. I use it for my Airbnbs. Makes it really easy to control from pretty much anywhere. So this smart lock right here, you can use it as a Bluetooth. So you can unlock it from your phone as long as you're within the area, or you can buy a hub for it, which is the Sonnet hub. I'll post that in the link so you can find that also. But the great thing about this lock is that it looks really good. My clients or the guests really love the look of it and the way it operates. I'm going to go ahead and show you here how it works. So if you were to put the pin in, it's going to say unlocked, right, which unlocks the door, which is great. And then it auto locks. You can set a timer for how long you want it to set the auto lock for. And then once it auto locks, you'll be able to move the handle, but they won't open. But it won't open the door. And then let's say if you put the pin in incorrectly, this it's going to say operation failed, meaning the door lock didn't unlock for you. You can even do it a couple different ways. So like if you have somebody looking over your shoulder, or you want to keep it secret, you don't want people knowing, you can go like put in a bunch of different random numbers, and then after your pin number, it'll still unlock because you put in the sequence, even though you put in a bunch of random numbers just to kind of hide what your real pin number was. So this is a great lock. I got a couple of them. I have one for the outside door. I have one for the inside door. I have one for my tiny house. They work really well, and I like that with these particular ones you can buy the hub. Like say I'm traveling and a guest needs to get into the house, then I can unlock it from anywhere, um, from the smart hub. You can set it up through your app, or you can like load it up through the website using the TT, I think it's TTP lock or the TTP website. But I definitely recommend this one if you're someone who's looking for a Wi-Fi smart lock, which is usually the best way to go. Another cool thing is it just locked up. See, so if I try to open it, it doesn't open. Another cool thing is it comes with a set of keys. So if you're ever locked out, let's say you need to get in with the key, you can just like push this little tab in here, and it comes out, and you can just put the key in and unlock it. So like what I plan on doing is putting like a lockbox here with a key. So that way if an emergency ever arises and a client needs to get in, and for some reason they're not able to, there'll be a key there. But it's definitely a good way to go. I'm going to go ahead and post a link in the description where you can get this one on Amazon, where I got it on Amazon. I'm also going to post a link to where you can get the Sonnet Hub, which works so you can control it pretty much from anywhere. All right, guys. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.